Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Danny speaking, and today I'm going to teach you some important verbs in English that you need to know. I'm going to teach you some important verbs in English that you need to know. The first one is, first you're going to learn that is the present, past, and past participle, alright? Present, past, and past participle. Okay, creep, crept, 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 crept. Que significa en inglés simplemente arrastrarse. Creep en inglés significa arrastrarse. Arrastrar, arrastró, arrastreado, arrastrado. Spread, spread, spread. Spread significa en inglés simplemente untar la mantequilla en el pan, untar algo, etcétera, etcétera. Spread, spread, spread. Pinch, pinch, pinch it, pinch it. Puede sonar como pinch it, o pinch it, alright? Pinch, pinch it, pinch. Que significa en inglés simplemente, pues, pellizcar, hacer pellizcos, etcétera, etcétera. El siguiente es tease, tease it, tease it. Tease, tease it, tease it. Que significa en inglés fastidiar, molestar o tocar los cojones a alguien de mala leche. Hey, please don't tease me, man. Don't tease me. No me toque, ya sabes, Don't tease me. Stop teasing me, man. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. Siguiente es crawl. Crawl, crawl it, crawl it. Que significa en inglés simplemente, pues, gatear. Gatear. Es el verbo gatear. Siguiente viene siendo bet, 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 que es apostar. Apostar, apostó, apostado. Bien, ahora os voy a enseñar cómo utilizar cada verbo de esto. Por ejemplo, vamos a eliminar estos. Vamos ahora a saber cómo utilizarlos. Let's learn to know how to use it, right? I'm going to teach you now how to use it. How to use it. Very important point. Ya sabéis que aquí significa en inglés, pues arrastrarse. Yo me arrastro. I crept. Crept. Siguiente es. En pasado es I crept. I crept. I crept. En futuro, pues sería I will crept. I will crept. Yo me preparé donde sea, ¿no? Ya sabéis, se viene siendo presente, present, past, viene siendo future, futuro. Ahora vamos con el past participle. I have crept. Me he trepado. Es algo que ha sucedido recientemente. I have crept, digamos, on the trip, etcétera, etcétera. No. I have crept, me he arrastrado en el suelo. I have crept on the floor. I have crept on the floor. I have crept on the floor. Digamos ahora, con el siguiente es I had. Sigue siendo el past participle. I had crept on the floor. Yo me había arrastrado en el piso. I have crept on the floor. Thank you very much for listening to this video, for watching me, and see you next time, right? I hope you like my video today, and I hope you'll have a fantastic day. Remember that today is Sunday. I love teaching, I love speaking, and this is my passion. I love teaching, I like doing video, I like speaking with people, I love writing, I love helping people in general. Don't forget this, and see you. If you want to see me, you just need to find me on Facebook or LinkedIn. Danny Medrano. Danny Medrano. This is my knee. See you. Ciao, ciao. Be nice and never give it. Never give in.